control projects budget from the unprogrammed funds and BICAM insertions starting from 2023, 2024, and 2025. Yun lamang unprogrammed and BICAM insertions, flood control projects. Kasi po, kaya gusto naming emphasize ito, mas malaki po yung kinikita ng politiko dito sa unprogrammed and insertions. Bigyan ko na po kayo ng example. Yung politiko, sabi po sa report, initial report, pagka ganito yung tipo ng project, 30% siya. Yung bidding back and losing bidders, inaayos po yan That's 5%. Project implementation, andyan na yung DE, at saka yung kakutsaba, quality control, 5%. And then, DE and others, 5%. Quality control, 2%. Meron pang COA, 1%. Madam COA, this is an open secret. Regional directors and USEC through the DE, 4%. Contractors tax, 7%. Contractors profit, 15%. Tsaka yung royalty. Ito po yung panghiram-hiram ng mga lisensya. 5%. Alam mo total, Madam Secretary, 74%. Ang natitira po sa project, 26% na lang. O ibig sabihin po, kung ang flood control project is 100 million, ang talagang magagamit is 26 million. Talagang walang mangyayari po sa atin. Kaya ko lang po tinatanong, sana padala po ninyo 2023, 24, at saka 2025.
We will furnish the committee